Welcome back, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny content. We chill. We just trying to catch a vibe. We don't do too much. You feel me? But today, though, we are not reacting to anything funny. We are reacting to some WTF moments for some of you, not for me though. So there's been news going on about Mr. Putin, the president of Russia. They opened a vault and they saw some historical figures of Black Jesus. You feel me? So I was like, okay, because to me it's not news. You feel me? It's not entirely news to me, anyways. But I didn't check out the video, but I saw people were like really checking it out, and I was like, okay, let me just check out the video and see like what they're talking about. You feel me? And I know some of you have seen the video before, but just bear with me and check it out with me again. If you haven't seen it, let's check out this video, bro. This should be interesting. This is from Black. The video is from the channel Black Journals, just in case anyone was wondering. Okay. So this must be Jesus, right? Look at his curly hair. Oh, that's Moses. Tell me, like, is this news to you? Like, is there anyone out there who's actually like surprised, or like, did you know
Have you
this
ever
before?
seen or heard of biblical icons where Jesus or the Virgin Mary have dark skin, or even Abraham or King David? Then look beyond Europe. Russia has opened its vaults to reveal biblical icons featuring darker-skinned figures. In case this is making you wonder if Russia has its own twist on biblical figures, the answer is a no. This is not the case at all. This is, a matter of fact, as real as the untouched horizon of time. These icons aren't just artistic anomalies. These hold deep meanings of hidden shaded truths, sparking serious, curious questions about history and faith, representation, and the unexpected corners of religious art. Pay close attention, amazing people. You are just about to hear it today, like it is, in this video. Before we continue, kindly endeavor to hit that like button as a way of supporting our works. Share with your families and friends to keep spreading our eye-opening Black narrative, and subscribe to stay put for more, while you help in building the rising membership of this channel. We appreciate your support.
Black Madonna.
First and foremost, let's start with the person of the most popular name in the world today, Jesus. Mark chapter 4 verse 22. For there is nothing hidden which shall not be manifested,
True.
neither anything kept secret that would not be brought to light.
Wait. Wait a minute, bro. Sometimes I be not tweaking, but I be like thinking very fast. So I just saw this Mark 4:22, right? For some time now, I be not dealing with like numerology and stuff, but I just be looking at numbers and shit. Bro, don't this look like 2024? Don't this look like 2024 backwards, like 422? And we got what? 2024, which is like 224 from behind. 2024, sorry. And this is like Mark, and we are in March. And isn't that crazy? Is it a coincidence, or am I tweaking? Now tell me if I'm tweaking or not though. Like Mark is like March, and we are in March 2024, and this one is saying, but there's nothing hidden which shall not be manifested. Like everything hidden will come to light, and this shit came out March 2024. Am I crazy? Am I reaching, bro? But that's crazy though. Hey man, I'm a genius though, like for real. Don't play with me like that. Now let's go with the video though.
For centuries, the most common image of Jesus Christ, at least in Western cultures, has been that of a bearded, fair-skinned man with long, wavy, light brown or blonde hair and often blue eyes. But the Bible doesn't describe Jesus physically, and all the evidence we do have today...
But it did though. The Bible did say he had a hair. His hair was like of wool, like wool and everything, and his feet was like burnt furnace or something like that, so we could refer to like dark skin. But anyways, though, like according to science, anyways, they did say the oldest bone found was in Africa. I think somewhere in Ethiopia. My bad, Ethiopia, but in Africa. You feel me? So I mean, this is not news to me, bruh. It's not news to me, bruh. If you know, you know.
Indicates that he probably looked very well different from how he has long been portrayed. The Good Book offers few clues about Christ's physical appearance. Most of what we know about Jesus comes from the first 4 books of the New Testament, the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. According to the Gospels, Jesus was a Jewish man born in Bethlehem and raised in the town of Nazareth in Galilee, formerly Palestine, now North.
Hold on. Did you hear what the wait? Hold on. Hey, I know. I see. I'm not gonna pause this video like way too much because it's a long video. But I just heard something and I'm like, wait, hold on.
Few clues about Christ's physical appearance. Most of what we know about Jesus comes from the first 4 books of the New Testament, the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. According to the Gospels, Jesus was a Jewish man born in Bethlehem.
Jesus was a Jewish man born in Bethlehem. So if he was a Jewish man and they just revealed he's a melanated being, melanated human, so that means like dark skinned people are Jews. Wasn't that what Kanye West said though? Wasn't that what this NBA player, what's his name, Kyrie Irving? I mean, he didn't say, but he like shared. He shared, I think, a link on his Twitter, and he got banned from the NBA. So I mean, if you know, you know, it's been out there, right? But 2024, bro, it's gonna be a crazy year. So many things are gonna get revealed. You are gonna be shocked.
Bethlehem and raised in the town of Nazareth in Galilee, formerly Palestine, now northern Israel. During the 1st century, we know that Jesus was about 30 years old when he began his ministry. So tells us the Bible book of Luke chapter 3 verses 23. But the Bible tells us virtually nothing about what he looked like, except that he didn't stand out in any particular way. The historical Jesus likely had the brown eyes and skin of other 1st century Jews from Galilee, a region in biblical Israel. But no one knows exactly what Jesus looked like. There are no known images of Jesus from his lifetime, and while the Old Testament kings...
Shalom, friend. Today I wanted to
Shalom
give
to you too, my
wonderful
brother.
gift, the Jewish book of 1st Enoch.
Wait, what?
This is
Saul and David are explicitly called tall and handsome in the Bible. There is little indication of Jesus' appearance in the Old or New Testaments. In addition, when Jesus was arrested in the Garden of Gethsemane before the crucifixion, Judas Iscariot had to point Jesus out to his soldiers among the disciples,
Bro,
presumably because they all appeared...
We know all this though. Like, I just want to see the vote that was open, bro. Like, bro, I'm not here for a Bible session or Bible preaching thing, bro. Chill out, bro.
President Vladimir Putin has decided to move one of Russia's holiest icons from a museum to a Moscow cathedral. This arises a debate around Putin's growing reliance on the church.
Emphasizing on the importance of the holy icon, Putin ordered Andrei Rublev's Trinity be transferred to the Russian Orthodox Church from Moscow's Tretyakov Gallery for a year. The relocation of Russia's most well-known icon highlights how closely the war has intertwined politics and religion. The icon depicts the Oak of Mamre, where the 3 angels visited Abraham in the book of Genesis.
Did you notice anything about these icons on display? They are all black. Icons dating back to the 14th century brought together from private collections across Russia. Rare and strongly challenging masterpieces, most of which were destroyed during the Soviet era.
It's very beautiful. It gives you goose pimples. It's a remarkable exhibition.
It's an exhibition which feeds the senses. Everything is so grey outside at the moment, and here suddenly it's a feast for the eyes.
These icons that you see are the survivors of what is left. Had the museums not saved them, they wouldn't be existing today. There used to be millions of these icons, but now only 50,000 of them are within sight. The unveiling of these icons is a powerful testament to the enduring strength of truth. The authenticity of these paintings compels us to re-evaluate our understanding of the past, particularly regarding the presence and representation of black figures. For centuries, these figures may have been shrouded in obscurity, but their rediscovery sheds light on previously untold stories, standing as a challenge to long-held assumptions, prompting us to rewrite history with a more inclusive lens. Many Russian icons were destroyed or sold abroad by agents of the Soviet government. Some were hidden to avoid destruction or were smuggled out of the country. Since the fall of communism, numbers of icon painting studios have again opened and are painting in a variety of styles for the local and international market. Many older, hidden icons have also been retrieved from hiding or brought back from overseas.
The Castel San Angelo in Rome is currently hosting an exhibition of 40 Russian icons that have left their country for the first time. They are pieces of art that were hidden after the October Revolution.
Damn, that's the painting of Mary and baby Jesus. Look at his young afro head, bro. Look at that curly afro head. Damn.
Of 1917 in order to protect them from anti-religious destruction.
That's the halo.
It's the first time that a large number of Russian icons have come here to Italy. In addition, here are a dozen examples that have never before been moved. They appear for the first time in our catalog.
Icons are usually painted on wood.
Wait, so these ones are not even in Russia. These ones are in Italy. I knew when I heard the language, I was like, that's not Russian. So these ones are even in Italy. I mean, in Vatican, they have loads of these stuffs in the Vatican. So we will never see it. But there are loads of way more older than these ones and way more sacred than these ones in the Vatican.
Meant to represent
we might never
saints
see.
or sacred elements. The Orthodox tradition considers them as if they were the gospel, inspirations of God through the hand of the artist. Their deep symbolism is reflected from the meaning of icon as a representation or vision from another world. The wood evokes the Holy Cross through its gold background, divine light, and the cloth attached to the wood evokes the cloth that covered the body of Jesus Christ.
Without a doubt, they have a great importance and a fundamental recognition in Russia because the icons represent for Russia what the pyramids represent for Egypt or the temples to the Greeks.
The exhibition shows icons ranging from the 15th century until the early 20th century. It's a rare opportunity to see the religious soul of Russia through its...
There's been so much debate going on around the world of late, bestirred by the unveiling of these black biblical icons. Some tend to think that the icons had blackened over time due to age, while others say that the blackness of the icons has nothing to do with age but are a measure of accuracy meant to depict the actual color of the skins of the people painted. Because they were black people, says Robert Rubin. Why didn't their clothes change to black in those paintings or all of the paintings? The true Israelis were black-skinned people, not white. Likewise, the ancient Egyptians. The Reshet structure in Mauritania is also the location of Atlantis. Russians did not change their paintings just as other countries did. They simply kept the true paintings and iconography. Look up ancient maps and you will see that the Kingdom of Judah was later located in West Africa. The Jewish nation was destroyed by Titus. Millions of Jews fled into Africa. They ended up in the west of Africa. From there, they were sold as slaves to almost every part of the world. Do you think the hatred for black people is just normal or a coincidence? No. It was because they, Israelis, did not keep the commandments of God. Moses informed them of the blessings and curses, as we can see in the Bible book of Deuteronomy. God told them they will lose.
Hey, I hate when they try to use that to justify slavery, bro. They tell you God said, oh, the children of Israel, because you disobeyed him, like you're gonna be like slaves for 400 flipping years, bro. I hate when they try to use that Bible passage to justify slavery. Like, chill out, bro. Like, come on now.
Russian unveilings didn't stop there. Russia continues with its biblical historical revelations, with President Putin at the foremost front, championing the course. Russia has opened its cellars to reveal remarkable paintings of Jesus dating back to the 1400s.
By Father Vladimir Ivanov. This is a book that is highly coveted by different circles because it has the black icons. It has the history.
He got dreadlocks, bro. He got locks.
Places like Russia and Italy and places all over Europe. This book can range from $1,300 to $3,000. So it's not an easy book to get. I actually borrowed this book from a friend, you know.
Hey, that's the truth.
This
The
book
book
has
they be so expensive on, like, you can check them on some books like this on Amazon. They be so expensive. Like, bro, you can't even buy them, bro. Some of them you can buy, but most of them, bro, they're expensive as hell. That's the reason why they are not reachable. So you will never get access to like the information. You feel me? Yeah, it's crazy. It be like that sometimes though. But we know the truth is being revealed. Anyways, it's 2024.
Interesting depictions in it. A lot of them pertaining to the Bible. Like right here, this is the transfiguration of Christ. And you
Damn.
see it's black people in caves, I believe, what it looks like. It's black people in the whole picture, but this is knowledge that escapes black people here in America. It's definitely something that we would never see or never hear about in the educational system. Now, I'm pretty sure there's people that are black history before. At least not from the standpoint of Europe, you know. This is the crucifixion of Christ.
Russia woke you people
In
up,
it,
huh?
we see
It took Russia for y'all to wake up.
black angels. The people surrounding him are black. It's very interesting because the images that we see are contrary to what we have known our whole lives, or what we have been taught our whole lives. Like I'll say it again, like these type of images of antiquity escape black people here in America, and I can say all people, for in general, just people in general don't know. I'm pretty sure there's plenty of Caucasian people and people of all nationalities that don't know the extent that black people covered the earth. And in many cases, like here, like what you see, we're in rulership positions. Like this looks like a king.
The images of Jesus and other historical figures in Russia's black icons challenge the commonly known perception of antiquity and reveal the closing. The unveiling of these black icons serves as a powerful reminder that history is often shrouded in darkness, but truth has a way of shining through. These artifacts compel us to re-examine our understanding of the past and challenge long-held narratives. If their authenticity is confirmed, the paintings offer a glimpse into a previously unknown facet of history, forcing us to confront the complexities of representation. This discovery stands as a testament to the enduring power of truth, shattering the towers of misinformation and prompting a re-evaluation of the stories we tell ourselves about the past. That brings us to the end of yet another video segment. Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. We are always happy to pick from them. Support our works by always hitting.
Hey, nice video though, but all in all, what I would say at the end of the day is just live a good life, bro. Live a good life, man. Don't get yourself involved with all these, not this BS, but like the BS in life in general. You feel me? Just, you know, whatever you do, just try and live a good life, bro. Don't bother nobody. Don't let nobody bother you, type shit. At the end of the day, the truth will always reveal itself. But hey, man, I'm tired. It's late as hell, and I have to go sleep. And thank you once again if you made it all the way to this point. Thank you for checking out this video. Thank you for rocking with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful Sunday, and peace out.